Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Cup demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you today is just a quick unboxing of some products that I've received in the post. So these products are some are from the retiring list and some are actually going to be carrying over into the next catalogue, but they will be carrying over possibly separately. So the first stamp set I've got is You Always Deliver, and I really like this fun stamp set. You've got your postman with parcels, a little dog, some flowers, another box, and then you've got some sentiments on there as well. So that's the first one, which is You Always Deliver, and that is item number 149355. The next one is this one here, Music from the Heart, which is a lovely stamp set, especially for any music lovers. You've got the keyboard, well, piano keys, you've got your piano and various musical signs and the sentiments too. So that is item 151674. Now my final stamp set I've got is Check You Out, and we've got a really nice image of an owl, a worm and various books in different disguises, and like a library ticket to punch out, and some sentiments on there as well, some nice little ones. So they're the stamp sets that I've received today, and I just wanted to show you some of the dies that I've received. Now I'll go with Sweetly. So these dies, if you can see them, these are from the So Sentimental bundle. Now I'll just show you the actual catalogue on the bundle. So you receive, if you want to purchase it as a bundle, then there's all the stamps shown there. Now this is from the mini catalogue, the Spring Summer mini catalogue. And I haven't actually got the stamp set, I've just purchased the dies on their own. But if you want to purchase them both together, then there's 10% discount for purchasing them together. Now I would normally, with our catalogues, if it's in a bundle in the current catalogue, it's more than likely not going to be a bundle in our next catalogue. So if you like the look of the stamps and you like the look of the dies, then I would purchase a bundle now before it sells out. So yeah, I'll just show you. So yeah, there's some nice frames and different design frames as well in that one. That's that. And then the final one I have is these ones here. Now these are from our annual catalogue, and they're relating to the Bird Ballad Suite. So this particular die set goes with another stamp set, which is this one. Hopefully you can see all the birds on there. Absolutely lovely stamp set. I haven't got this stamp set unfortunately, but I did purchase the dies to go with it from there. Again, if you like the dies and the stamp set, then there's a bundle, the Free as a Bird stamp set, stitched Free as a Bird bundle. So if you purchase them together, then you'll receive 10% off the price if they sold them individually. So I'll just show you them again. So they're stitched and dyed on both sides of the die, the inside and the outside, and I really like the shape of those. And you even got like a straight part there as well. So this will be great for putting on your cards for labels. Oops. So that is my little bit of an unboxing for the stuff that I've received today. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at all the different stamp sets I've purchased. As I say, these 3 stamp sets won't be available after the 1st of June, so if you do like them, then I would suggest you go to my shop and purchase them now before they disappear. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, I'm still hoping to get my 50 subscribers by June, so I would really appreciate if you subscribe, and I will put all the links below to the shop and all the stamp sets that are shown here. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.